Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wix website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change or update your logo in your Wix website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the logo on your Wix website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is quite important. And by updating your logo in your Wix website, it's going to make the branding much more fluid. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wix dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. So I've already logged into my Wix account, and this is the home screen that's going to show all of the websites that you have with Wix. So first you need to choose which website you're going to change the logo on. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. If you don't see this page for some reason, don't worry, just click up here on all sites and you're going to see all the websites, and you can go ahead and just choose one. Okay, once you click there, it's going to open up the dashboard to that one particular website. Now there's actually two different areas you need to go ahead and change the logo in your website. One is going to be here in the dashboard for that website, and the second will be in the editor. So for the first portion, what you're going to do is here on this left menu, scroll down and then click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see all these different options right here. However, in order to update the logo in your Wix website, look for this one here called business info. It should be here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the business info profile. So they let you know that this is what is going to be shown on search results, invoices that you have with the Wix website, chat, all of that, including your logo right here. So in order to change your logo, click on upload image. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose your logo. If you don't have it already uploaded into your Wix website, you can go ahead and click right here, upload media. If you need help creating a logo for free, go back and watch my other video that describes how to do that in your Canva account. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just use this one right here. So next you want to go ahead and click this blue choose file button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my logo right here in the business info, but you're not done until you click on the save button here on the top. All right, then you'll see this green pop-up, changes save. Okay, so now we're done here in the website dashboard. So next what you're going to want to do is here on the left menu, click on home. Okay, once you click there, we need to get over to the editor to update the logo. So you want to click on edit site up here on the top right. All right, guys, so here we are in the Wix editor. So in order to update the logo that usually appears up here on the left, what you're going to do is go ahead and click into the header. And once you do that, you're going to see this kind of orange box around it. Okay, so once you have this orange box around, what you're going to do is go ahead and choose the logo that's already there. You can see it has this little vector image. So if you're going to use vector art, you can go ahead and just swap it out by clicking change vector art. However, if you want to go ahead and change it to one of your JPEG or PNG logos, what you're going to do is just click delete and you can see it disappears. And then what you're going to do is click on this plus icon and add elements. All right, next you want to go ahead and choose an image. And next you want to do is scroll down until you see site images and then choose the image that you want to use. So again, we're going to go ahead and use this one. Okay, now you can see it just drops it into that orange box, but it's really obnoxious and large. So what you're going to do is just grab these little white dots and shrink it down to your liking. Okay, so that looks good. And then all you're going to do is just drag it right on over to where the other one was. So right here. Okay, now you can see that it adjusted the header size because the picture was too big. So you can just grab the little orange arrow down here and just shrink it back down. Go ahead and drag it bit more. Okay, so that looks good. So now we've changed the logo here on the Wix editor. It's not done until you click on publish. Okay, next I get this confirmation. So let me close this out. Okay, now as you can see, we have changed the logo in our Wix website, in the header, and also in the business settings. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change or update your logo in your Wix website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.